Myntri ka Tnad Pule Puthi Jong ka Jala Meghalaya urakam e sangma ringkat uba renikton lingdo tongkhar MLA ka Mawphor kilalet Jurip ya ka Ophis Treikam Jong ka District School Education Officer Southwest ka Sales District bot kumjuro ya kinong tre jong ka Tnad Office na ka banta banyo sngo banyo I da markmat ya ki jingdon kam jong ka Office urakam e sangma ulayu I dalade ka jingdon kam kumno banyo ban mang pisa kerpang na ka banta bante thamai no ya ka Office kumta ula batha ya ka Office jong Dseo but SDSEO ban pha ya ka jingtho ka Tnad jong ka Education Building jong ka Sarkar Jala ya baro ka jingdon kam khnang banyo ban mang tingka no na ka banta bante thamai no ya ka Ophis Treikam jong ka Tnad Pule Puthi hamau karwan uba renikton el tongkhar ula panpau ka jing sngungu ya Myntri jong ka Tnad Pule Puthi urakam e sangma ba ulawan jengo hi da markmat ya ka jingdon kam jong ka Office jong Dseo hamau karwan bat ngit skam nang ne shakmat en yo no dakawai pat ka yeng ba thamai bat ngit skam bakan urlong bat kan yaj bet ya renti
Very less time. We have no time.
Today, in the presence of Honorable MLA from Mawphor, we have just come to see the condition of the buildings and the entire administration of our SDSU and DSU office here today. And we have seen the condition. It looks like it needs immediate attention. Government will do the needful. Will see the matter. And like what I feel like the SDSU, DSU, all this education building should have a good one. So what I feel, and we will do the needful in days to come.
The Honorable Minister has come to visit this office of DSO and SDSO as well, and I'm very happy also that he has expressed his concern that he understands the need of the hour to get a proper building out here. So we hope that in very soon we'll get the sanction, and we have requested the department also to send the proposal to include the building of DSO and SDSO as well, and in the same roof we hope we'll get these two offices, which is very important for education.